Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about healthy eating made easy, tips for a balanced diet. This is Mike Norris with Mike Norris Fit. I'm in Sacramento, California today, and it is a dreary, raining day. I wanted to make this video while I was out walking, but it's a pretty miserable day here, cold and raining. Today you're going to learn about how a high protein balanced diet can fuel your fitness journey and support your weight loss and get you healthier. Now, in case you don't know, nutrition, how many of you, start off with this, if you go to a gym or you have friends or family that go to a gym and you've noticed it year after year after year, even though they're going to a gym and working out and all this, they are not making any improvements. They're gaining weight or they stay the same. But if they stay the same, it's not that bad. But a lot of people that I know, they go to the gym year after year and they get bigger and bigger. What's the reason for that? It's because they eat a terrible diet. Nutrition is 80%. It doesn't matter. Like, I'm a big weightlifter. I'm in the gym 5-6 days a week. Been doing it for 30 years. If you don't fuel your body with the right nutrients, you're not going to gain any muscle, and you're not going to lose any weight. You'll never ever get a six-pack, if that's something you want to do, if you're not eating a good balanced diet. So what to eat? I'm going to go over some things to eat, and I'm going to give you a way to not have to count calories or anything like that. Basically, it's a form of portion control that I've been using for years and that I use with my clients. Now, you should focus, 80% of your meals should be focused on eating these things. You need a high protein, whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats. What are your lean proteins? Can be eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken breast, turkey, fish, beans. So a lot of things that are good lean proteins. Whole grains are a little bit harder for some people to understand, but it's brown rice, whole grain pasta, quinoa, stuff like that. Your vegetables, just about any kind of vegetable is good for you. You can eat as many vegetables as you want, to be honest with you. But spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, carrots, those are all good. Healthy fats, and this is where I struggle sometimes to get enough healthy fats. Some people eat way too many. That would be avocado, nuts, dark chocolate, yes, dark chocolate, eggs, salmon, olive oil. So things like, eggs, it's good for a couple things. Now, portion control. Portion control, I learned the hand method. The hand method is great. The palm of your hand, that's your protein. That's how you measure your protein. A fist is vegetables, a serving. Each one of these is a serving. Cupped hand is your carbs. Thumb is your healthy fat. Now, I suggest that you start with 1 to 2 servings of each one for each meal. If you're really trying to lose weight, you'll want to get down to 1 serving. But 1 to 2 servings is a good way to start. The great thing about the palm method, the hand method, I should say, is it can be used at home. It can be used in restaurants. It can be used in social gatherings. You don't have to weigh your food like so many weight loss coaches want you to. You don't have to count your carbs. A cup of Greek yogurt, that's about the equivalent of your palm, a cup of Greek yogurt. If you're a big eater, you're looking at your palm, and everybody's hand is in direct relation to their body. So this is why it's such a good method to use. You're going to say, well, that's not a very big piece of steak, the palm of your hand. Well, it could be 6 to 8 ounces. But like I say, you can start with 1 to 2 and vary it. Vegetables are something that you can eat a lot, and vegetables and fruits both go in that category. There's an old saying that I used to tell my weight loss clients: if you're hungry and it's the middle of the afternoon, eat an apple. You get through eating that apple and you feel okay, that's great. If you're still hungry, eat another apple. Nobody ever got fat eating apples. that I know of. So the portion control hand method is a great way, easy way to keep up with it. So write this down in your journal or your notebook. And again, your palm is your protein, vegetables or fruits, cupped hand is your carbs, and your thumb is your fats. Now, like I said, I would start with 2 servings of each. Some of you may say, well, that's too much. Great. Eat 1 serving. And try to 80% of your meals, and I know it's hard to put a percentage on it, but say if you eat twice a day, that's 14 meals a week. If you can eat 10 or 11 using this method and using those good foods, healthy foods, you'll be good. You'll start noticing changes in your body. You'll start noticing weight come off if that's what you're trying to do. So what we're doing here is we're trying to fuel our body so you'll feel your best. A big part of this, you're over 50, 60, 70 years old, you want to feel better. You feel better as you get leaner, as you have these good nutrients in your body every day instead of putting junk in and all the snacks and everything. So what I'd like for you to do for tomorrow is to plan 1 healthy meal for tomorrow. The other day I told you to eat a healthy snack each day. I told you to drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up in the morning. If a lemon or lime in it, you get extra points. Drink that before you drink your coffee or anything. And like I said, I asked for 1 healthy snack. Now, let's see if you can plan at least 1 good healthy meal for tomorrow. People who are already doing this, think about how you can get 1% better from what you're already doing. I always talk about getting 1% better each and every day. This is Mike Norris. If you like the video, give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm doing 90 days straight of 90 videos, so I got a lot to come on your health, nutrition, fitness. I'll talk to you later.